Welcome to my channel Car Quest Pro. The beast is back, 2025 Honda Africa Twin 1100, what's new? If you're a true adventure bike fan, stop scrolling, because the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 1100 is here, and it's built to dominate roads and wilderness. Honda didn't just update it, they refined it. This year's Africa Twin takes the legacy of Dakar dominance and adds modern precision. Whether you're blazing trails or cruising city streets, this machine demands your attention. Bold design meets rugged performance. The design. Sleek but muscular. With sharper lines, a redesigned LED headlamp setup, and improved wind protection, the 2025 Africa Twin screams aggression. Its taller stance and compact body give it that rugged dual sport look, while still offering comfort for long rides. You'll also notice a new color scheme that includes a stealth matte black and an exclusive rally red edition that looks straight out of a MotoGP pit. Engine, power and speed, built to thrill. Under the tank, it houses the same legendary 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, refined for better throttle response and smoother power delivery. It pushes out 101 horsepower and 105 Newton-meters of torque, giving it enough grunt to handle sand, snow, or any speed test. And yes, it still has that 270-degree crank, which means you get that beautiful V-twin-like pulse. Top speed. Around 200 kilometers per hour, but more importantly, it gets there with style and control. Smart tech and adventure features. Loaded with Honda's latest tech, 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cornering ABS, traction control, and even cruise control. The DCT, dual clutch transmission, version. Smoother than ever. Ride modes like gravel, tour, and off-road make it truly versatile. Price tag, worth every penny. So what's the damage to your wallet? The 2025 Africa Twin 1100 starts around $14,999, and if you want the DCT or the Adventure Sports trim, expect it to go up to $17,500. Not cheap. But then again, this isn't your average motorcycle.